Miss B, and it's number corner time. We're going to start with our calendar grid. That's this big pocket chart here. They want you to be able to see it in our classroom. So yesterday, we had a circle. Can you guess what you think today might be? That's a lot of guesses. We're about to find out. But first, I need a drum roll. Do you know how to do a drum roll? You can do it on your desktop, but we usually do it on our legs in the classroom. You just take your hands and pat your legs like this, and it makes a sound that goes like this. And here we go. Thanks for that drum roll. Do you know what this shape is? It has, if you notice, there are two long sides and two short sides. It's a rectangle, you're right. A rectangle is in the quadrilateral family, which means it's in the family of four side shapes. Can you say quadrilateral? Wow, you sound as smart as a fifth grader or a grown-up. So, I'm going to add this here, but before I do, what number is on here? You're right, that's the number 2. A 2, when you show with your fingers, is your pointer finger and your middle finger together up, just like this. Show me 2 with your fingers now. Awesome job! We're going to add that here. Now, if we look on our calendar, we have a pattern strip. It's going to start over here. And we have you're right, circle. And then, just like today, a rectangle. And what's the name of this shape? Triangle. And then a square. And then another circle, rectangle, triangle, and square. So this reminds me of something I've seen. So if we look at this, can we make a guess, or what we call in math a prediction, about what tomorrow's shape will be? We'll have to see if this matches, but you gotta be here tomorrow to see. So, today is September 2nd, 2020. September is the name of a month. There are 12 months in the year, and you can see them right here. I'm going to put the camera down just a little bit so you can see them all. And I'm going to say them, and I want you to say them after me. That's called an echo. And we're going to be using that word a lot in here. So here we go. January, your turn. February, March, April, May, June, your turn. July, August, September, October, November, and December. And September is here, and if we count them, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months. And that all makes up 1 year. And inside those months are things called weeks. And the weeks are made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 days. There are 7 days in a, 7 days in a week. And they all have names. The weeks don't have names, but the days have names. And we have a little song that we sing to learn the days. And it goes, Sunday, Monday. Your turn, sing that. Sunday, Monday. Good job. Tuesday, Wednesday. Your turn. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, your turn. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Here we go again. Sunday, Monday, your turn. Tuesday, Wednesday, your turn. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, your turn. Awesome job. Now, who remembers the name of this shape? That's right, it's a rectangle. And we have a little song to remember the rectangles. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, the sides and corners go. Rectangles here, rectangles there, they're everywhere, you know. So are you ready to sing it with me? I'm going to sing it first, and then I'll point to you, and it's your turn. You ready, Cookies? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, your turn. Awesome. The sides and corners go. The sides and corners go. You got it. Rectangles here, rectangles there. They're everywhere, you know. Awesome job. Okay, you're going to move with me now. Hi, guys. And we're going to go over here so you can see the rest of Number Corner a little bit better. Okay, got you safely over here. And here is the rest of our Number Corner. We always keep track of how many days we've been in school, and we use our 10-frame papers to do that. And every day we add a dot. Today I'm adding another, what color? Red dot. You're right. We're going to add that up here, and you're going to help me count. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We've been in school 3 days now. Isn't that awesome? And I want to show you how to make a number 3. Are you ready? Miss B's got to get her marker though, because this is something she just thought, oh, I need to show them how to do this. And my favorite way of doing it is a way I learned a long time ago. And you start up here, and you curve right around, and you curve again to make the number 3. Can you do that in the air? Here we go. Use your pointer finger like it's a marker. Here we go. Curve around and around again to make the number 3. Awesome job, Cookies. Now we're also going to add a link to our links here. Hook it on, and we're going to count them. I'll bring them up a little closer to the camera so you can see them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do you notice every time I count something, I touch it with my finger? That's so I make sure I get an accurate count. Because part of being a good mathematician, there's a huge word for you, mathematician. That means you are someone who does math. Everybody who does math, if you count, if you add, if you take away, if you do like the big kids, multiply, divide, algebra, calculus, all of those are math things. And if you can do math, you're a mathematician. So good mathematicians have to be accurate. And if you're not accurate, things aren't going to turn out the way they should be. All right, now we did our days. Oh, Miss B almost forgot. What number do we need to add on the number line? You're right, the number 3. So I'm going to do it again. Curl around and around again to make the number 3. And we're going to count them. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. You did it. Kiss your brain. One quick kiss. That's all. Okay. We have our calendar collector we need to add to today. So I have my spinner. And I have to lay it flat to spin it, but I will show you what number we landed on. Does anybody know what number that is? You're correct. That's our number today, 3. So I need to count off 3 Unifix cubes. I have them all together to keep it easy. So I'm going to take some apart. So help me count. I'm going to put them on my hand. 1, 2, 3. Now, good mathematicians also double check their answers. So we're going to count again. That's double checking. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm just going to take those 3 and I'm going to pop them in the pocket here. And at day 5, we're going to count how many we collected. But not right now. So I need to introduce you to a friend of mine. This is Hap. Can you say hi, Hap? Can you hear all those boys and girls? Hap helps us count hops on a number line. So he's going to hop for me here on our number line back here. Let me get the camera over just a bit so you can see. Okay, so we're going to start here. What number is that? 1. You're right. So he's going to count. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guess what? You're supposed to count with me. Let's try it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome job, Cookies. But guess what he's going to do now? He's going to start at a different number. He doesn't like starting at all the same number, so he wants to start here. Do you remember what number that is? That's our number today, 3. He's going to start here, so we're going to start at 3. So we go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome job. Kiss your brain. He wants, what? He's saying he needs to start at another number. Let's start here. That's right, it's the number 2. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you counting with me? 6, 7, 8, 9. Wonderful job. Now, guess what? I'm going to cover a couple numbers and see if you can guess what they are. Are you ready? No peeking. Got those eyes closed? All right, Cookies, here we go. So, help Hap figure out what the numbers are. 1. You're right. Let's see. Good job. 2, 3. What? Let's check and see if you're right. It is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, you guys are so great at math. 6 comes next, then 7. Let's see, is it? It is 8. And then we have 9. That is right. Okay, my cookie friends. We are done with Number Corner for today. Make sure you're practicing counting to 20 or even past that. But guess what? You can't have Mom and Dad tell you what the next number is to be able to do it on your own for me. So you got to start practicing. They can kind of help you now, but when you count for me, no help. But you know what? You all are mathematicians and you'll be able to do it. So my cookies, I love you. I will see you later.